The M1 is a multi-tool designed specifically for tech enthusiasts and hackers. It boasts a variety of features that could be useful for a wide range of tasks, from tinkering with electronics to bypassing security measures. However, it's important to note that some of these features could also be used for malicious purposes, so it's important to use the M1 responsibly. Features: infrared capabilities. The M1 can be used to control a variety of devices, such as TVs, stereos, and even some home security systems. This could be useful for testing purposes or simply for convenience. NFC and RFID capabilities. The M1 can read and write NFC and RFID tags, which could be used for a variety of purposes, such as cloning access cards or making payments. Signal analysis. The M1 can be used to analyze signals, such as those from Wi-Fi networks or Bluetooth devices. This could be useful for troubleshooting or for security purposes. GPIO pins. The M1 has GPIO pins that can be used to connect to other devices and circuits. This could be useful for creating custom projects or for interfacing with other hardware. Open source firmware. The M1's firmware is open source, which means that users can modify it to add new features or functionality. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Monstertech. Pros: compact and portable, multifunctional, open source, hackable. Cons: limited information, functionality depth, ethical concerns, price. Overall, the M1 presents an intriguing concept for tech enthusiasts and tinkerers. However, carefully consider the limited information, technical requirements, legal and ethical implications, value proposition, and alternative solutions before making a decision. Remember, the ideal multi-tool depends on your specific needs and technical expertise. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.